Assalamualaikum daily class. English lecture has started with the spelling of English. 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 Now we will start the reading. Read the spelling of reading. Reading. Reading page number 12. Now we will read this word. What's the phonics of this letter? This is P and P phonics is H. Now read this word. Here is F. F phonics is F. Here is O. F O. Now join the. Read the word. For, for. Now again here is P. What's the phonics of P? F. And what's the phonics of E? F. F, N, pen. And sound is N. F, pen. What's the phonics of P and E? Pen. N, pen. F for pen. F for pen. F for pen. For F, pen. Now mark the date here. Okay, now it's our topic. Read the spelling of topic. TOPIC topic, and our topic is animals name. Read the spelling of animals. ANIMALS animals, and spelling of name NAME name. We have many animals in the world. At home also, outside also, on the roads also, in the farms also. Okay, the first one name is of a cat. Many more have the cat in their home as a pet. Okay, what's the spelling of cat? CHE cat. Now next is rat. Who has seen the rat at the home? It's rat. What's the spelling of rat? RHE rat. Now here is one more animal. It's cow. COW cow. Cow gives us milk and meat also. Here is ox. OX ox. Here is a forest animal. Okay, what's the name of this animal? Fox. What's the spelling? FOX fox. Here is one more forest animal. Its name is lion. LION lion. Again read with me. CHE cat. RHE rat. COW cow. OX ox. FOX fox. LION lion. Now you will read these all the names. You will learn the spelling, and then you will write on your class book notebooks in neat and clean handwriting. 2 times you will write. You will draw the one line here, one time here, and one time here. Okay. Now here is your diary. Reading page number 12 and dictation word is example. What's the spelling of example? EXAMPLE example. Okay, Allah Hafiz.